Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Wednesday, July 16, 2025. We'll be covering market moves in technology, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Tech-related indexes showed strength today. The Nasdaq 100 and the Nasdaq Composite Index both hit new all-time highs, with the composite up 52.69 to 20,730. The technology sector also reached a new record close. Market breadth was notably positive today for the Nasdaq Composite, with nearly 1,900 advances versus 1,100 declines. The technology sector showed similar strength, with advancers outpacing decliners by nearly 2 to 1. Week-to-date returns have been strongest in the technology sector at 1.3%. The healthcare sector continues to lag, down 0.8% for the week despite today's 1.2% gain. Among top tech performers, advanced micro devices led with a 2.8% gain. Oracle reached a new all-time high, rising 2.6% to 241.30. EPAM Systems and Garmin each gained over 2%. Weekly returns have been impressive for advanced micro devices, up 9.3%, while Oracle has gained 4.7%. Year-to-date, Oracle leads this group with a 44.8% return. Among declining tech stocks, Ansys fell 4.6% despite maintaining a strong upward trend. Micron Technology and Enphase Energy each dropped 3% amid increased volatility. Weekly performance shows Enphase Energy and Micron both down over 6%. Year-to-date, Enphase has declined 43%, while Micron maintains a 38% gain despite recent weakness. Technology ETFs showed mixed performance today. Cubes and Vanguard Information Technology both reached new all-time highs, extending their winning streaks to 3 days. VanEck Semiconductor dipped slightly while maintaining its very strong upward trend. The leveraged 3x bearish QQQ hit another record low. Year-to-date returns show significant variations. VanEck Semiconductor leads with a 19.5% gain, while Cubes and Vanguard Information Technology both show approximately 9% returns. The leveraged 3x bearish QQQ has declined nearly 39% this year.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Alphabet stands out with 6 consecutive up days and a strong positive trend. Microsoft and Amazon both show very strong positive trends, despite closing down today. Month-to-date returns show Alphabet and Microsoft with gains over 1.5%, while Meta Platforms is down nearly 5%. Year-to-date, Microsoft leads with a 20% gain, while Apple has declined 16%. Strong gains today in semiconductor stocks, with Indie Semiconductor up 11.7% amid strong upward volatility. GCT Semiconductor gained 11.5%, breaking out after a week of flat trading. InChains rose 8.7%. Month-to-date returns show InChains surging 73%, while Indie Semiconductor has gained 25%. Year-to-date, GCT Semiconductor and SealSQ show notable declines of 34% and 42% respectively. In cloud computing stocks, Oracle hit a new all-time high, rising 2.6% with a very strong positive trend. Shopify led gains, up 4.3%. Despite today's gains, HubSpot and EPAM Systems maintained strong negative trends. Year-to-date performance shows Oracle leading with a 45% gain, while Shopify is up 13%. HubSpot and EPAM Systems have declined 22% and 29% respectively. AI and robotics stocks showed strength with Vicarious Surgical, surging 17.4% on its 6th consecutive up day. Symbotic reached a one-year high, climbing 8.6%. Hyundai Motor and AeroVironment maintain very strong positive trends. Year-to-date returns show Symbotic up an impressive 123%, while AeroVironment has gained 75%. Vicarious Surgical has declined 13% despite its recent strong performance. Leading AI and robotics thematic ETFs showed strength today. Spear Alpha ETF hit a new all-time high, closing up 1.5% with a very strong positive trend. Robotics and AI and automation bull twocks and Robotics and automation both demonstrated strong upward momentum. Weekly returns show Spear Alpha ETF leading with a 3.2% gain. Li Auto stands out with an 8.4% month-to-date return. Year-to-date, Spear Alpha tops the group with a 12.1% return. Electric vehicle stocks showed mixed performance. Tesla surged 3.5%, while Li Auto extended its winning streak to 8 consecutive days. BYD declined 1.1%, reflecting a strong negative trend. Li Auto leads the EV pack with impressive returns across all timeframes, up 6.3% this week, 8.4% month-to-date, and 22.6% year-to-date. XPeng shows strong year-to-date performance at 51.7%, despite recent negative trends. Quantum computing stocks saw significant gains today. Rigetti Computing soared 30.1% amid high volatility. IonQ and D-Wave Quantum both showed strength, rising 4.9% and 4.7% respectively, with very strong positive trends. Rigetti Computing dominates short-term returns, up 36% this week and 40% month-to-date. D-Wave Quantum leads year-to-date performance with an impressive 101% gain. Honeywell International shows steady but modest gains across all timeframes. Solar stocks showed notable volatility today. VivoPower International jumped 17.7% with strong upward momentum. Beam Global surged 10.8% amid high volatility, while Zeo Energy gained 7.6% despite some downward pressure. VivoPower International leads returns across all timeframes, particularly impressive with a 365% year-to-date gain. Beam Global shows strong recent momentum with a 25% weekly gain, while Zeo Energy lags with negative returns across multiple timeframes. Thematic ETFs in the technology sector showed notable strength today. ARK Innovation ETF and ARK Fintech Innovation ETF both reached new one-year highs, rising 3.6% and 3.3% respectively. All featured ETFs displayed very strong positive trends, with Global X Fintech ETF gaining 2%. Return metrics highlight impressive week-to-date performance, with ARK Fintech Innovation ETF leading at 4.7% and ARK Innovation ETF following at 4.1%. Year-to-date, ARKF stands out with a remarkable 44.1% return, while ARKK has gained 32.6%.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.